Mastering the Art of Tabletop Jump in English. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a fun and interesting phrase in English, tabletop jump. This term might conjure up various images, but we'll explore its meaning and use in everyday language. So, let's jump right in. The phrase, tabletop jump, actually originates from the world of BMX biking and motocross. It describes a type of jump where the middle section is flat, like the top of a table. Now, how does this relate to language? Just like in biking, where a tabletop jump connects 2 points smoothly. In conversation, we use certain phrases to smoothly transition from one point to another. We'll look at some examples next. Let's see how tabletop jump can be used metaphorically. Imagine you're in a meeting, and you've just finished discussing one topic. To move on to the next without abruptness, you might say, "Let's tabletop jump to our next agenda item." Here, it means to transition smoothly without causing a jarring break in the flow of discussion. Now, it's your turn. Think of situations where you could use tabletop jump to indicate a smooth transition. Practice with a friend or in front of a mirror. Remember, the key is to use it in a way that makes your conversation flow effortlessly. And that's a wrap on tabletop jump. We hope this video has enhanced your understanding and use of this dynamic phrase in English. Keep practicing, and soon, making smooth transitions in conversation will be a piece of cake. Until next time, keep learning and keep jumping.